Stop copying data from websites every time it changes. Let Excel do the work for you. Today, I'll show you how to pull live website data straight into Excel, using Power Query, and refresh it with just one click. No coding, no stress, just pure automation. Let's jump in. Head to any website that contains a table you want to import. I'm using the Yahoo Finance Top Gainers page. This page has a clean HTML table with columns like symbol, name, price, change, percent change, and volume. That is perfect for Power Query. First, copy the page URL. Now, open Excel. Go to the Data tab, and click from Web under Get and Transform Data. A window appears. Paste your URL, and hit OK. Power Query scans the web page and shows all the tables it found. Select the one with the column symbol, name, price, change, and so on. Once it looks right, click Load. And boom! Your live data appears instantly in Excel. This is where Power Query becomes a game changer. Whenever the website updates, right-click your table, and select Refresh. Your Excel sheet updates automatically with the newest values. You can even make Excel refresh the data automatically. Go to the Data tab, then Queries and Connections. Right-click your query, and click Properties. Check Refresh Every. Set a time, for example 5 minutes. Now Excel updates itself in the background even while you're working on other tasks. If this tutorial helped you save time, imagine what you'll learn next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more fast, practical Excel tips.